So how to make money online as a Fiverr affiliate. What's up friends, Amar here, and as you can see in today's video there will be two parts. The first one, I will walk you through the Fiverr affiliate program, its unique structure and its amazing commissions. In the second part, I will teach you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links using free traffic methods. Now before we dive into that, please subscribe to this channel, like the video and support the channel with a comment or question. What we are looking at right now is the generous commission plan for the Fiverr affiliate program. So if you decide to do this, you can either promote the Fiverr CPA plan or the Fiverr hybrid plan. With the Fiverr CPA plan, you can make from $15 to $150 CPA commission on every customer that you refer, every buying customer that you refer, but it is only one time. If you decide to go with the Fiverr hybrid program, you will earn $10 commission, CPA commission in the beginning, and then you will make 10% rev share for every purchase that same customer will make for the next 12 months. There are also other products that you can earn from, like the Fiverr Business, Fiverr Learn, and Fiverr and Co. So as you can see here, you can make $100 CPA commission the first time the buyer does a purchase or makes a purchase, and then you will make 10% for the next 12 months. If you decide to promote the Learn program, which are trainings, you can make 30% commission on every course that you sell. And if you decide to go with & Co, you will make 50% commissions on every sale. And these here are expensive services, so the commissions will be juicy and interesting. So before I show you how to promote your affiliate links from the Fiverr affiliate program, let me tell you that this is a free to access program. Anyone can register and start promoting. And if you are interested, there's a link in the description below. You can just click on it, register an account and start promoting. And by the way, if this is the first time on this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and or drop a comment. It will be a very appreciated support. So most of the affiliates are using the Fiverr CPA program, and here are the details of that program. So if you sell a pro service from Fiverr, you will make up to $150 commission. It's one time, of course, but if you sell these kind of gigs here for whiteboard and animated explainers, etc., you will make a $50 commission one time. And you can take a look at all the other commissions that you can make depending on the category of the gigs that you are promoting. And if you go to your affiliate dashboard on the Fiverr affiliate website, you will see all the links that we spoke about earlier, like Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid, & Co, etc. And you can use these links here to promote the services. You can use them as they are, or you can just go ahead and shorten them with a free shortening service on the internet. One thing that is very important to know is this one here, Fiverr sub-affiliates. This means that Fiverr has a referral program as well, and if you decide to promote it, you will use this link here and you will make 10% commission on the earnings that your sub-affiliates will make. Let's say if I am your sub-affiliate and I make $100 on Fiverr affiliate program, you will make $10. And if you want to know more where your customers will land if you promote these links here, you can just click on this arrow here and you will see where they land and what you will be earning. So for example, if you promote the Fiverr CPA, your customers will land on Fiverr.com, and if they make a purchase, you will make between $15 and $100 and $150. Same thing for the hybrid, they will land on Fiverr.com. Now let's see how do I promote my affiliate links. And my best strategy is to promote specific gigs. So like for example, if I go to Fiverr.com, this gig here is a good one because I used it myself. And this guy here is saying I will design professional YouTube channel art. And if I go to my YouTube channel, you can see this banner here at the top. It was made by him. So what I did is I paid $5 and I got this Fiverr banner, this YouTube channel art, or this YouTube banner done for me. So what I want to do is promote this service to the people who wants to make this YouTube channel art or YouTube banner. So why is this a good gig to promote? Well, this gig has like 1,244 positive ratings, like 4.9, it's almost 5, and there are 4 orders in queue. So people are buying it and they are liking this gig, and I did myself purchase it and I like the result. So now the question is, how do I do to promote this specific gig? So I will go ahead and copy the link in the top of the window when I'm displaying the gig, and then I go to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard and I want to go to this place here, LP URL. I think it stands for landing page URL. So you need to paste the link that you took from the gig here and then press enter. So what you will get here is these links here, and this is the link that you want to promote if you decide to go with the CPA plan, and this is the link that you want to promote if you decide to go with the hybrid plan. After that, you will be able to copy the link that you want to promote. Just click on this button here and the link will be copied. And then, since this is a very long link and not trustworthy, I want to shorten it using a free service, bit.ly.com. So all I have to do is paste my long link here and click shorten, and I have a short link to promote. So this is the link that I will be promoting, and every time someone goes to this page by clicking on that link and purchases the gig, I will be making between $15 and $150 depending on the gig that you are promoting. Here is another gig that I am actively promoting, and this gig is about making an intro video. So lots of YouTubers, they want to make an intro video for their channels to use in their videos, and this guy here is doing actually a great work. You can see that here 4,412 ratings, and all of them are 5 stars, and also there are 3 orders in the queue. So people are purchasing this gig and they are happy with it. And as I said, I used this gig myself to make the intro video that you saw in the beginning of this video. So with this strategy, you can take those affiliate links and embed them in your blog, on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook profile, and everywhere where people interested in that service are hanging out. The second place where I like to promote my Fiverr affiliate links is inside my lead magnets. So I'm giving away multiple lead magnets to build my email list, and in the same time I embed some affiliate links inside the lead magnet. So sometimes people reading the lead magnet will click on the link and go ahead, like the gig, and purchase it so I can make a commission. So with this strategy, all you have to do is create like how-to guides, action plans, short reports, short tutorials, and you can embed your Fiverr affiliate links inside of that. You can also promote the gigs that you like on community forums and Facebook groups, QUORA spaces, etc. So you can drive traffic from multiple places, but the traffic needs to be targeted. I mean, you will be putting your affiliate links in front of people that are interested in that kind of gigs, so most likely they will make a purchase and you will make a commission. And to implement this simple strategy, you will need 3 things. The first thing, find a gig that is selling like crazy, that have lots of 5 stars and it has also lots of good reviews. And after that, you will need to find people or prospects that are looking and willing to pay for that same service. And the third step will be using free traffic methods to connect the two and make commissions in the process. So before I dive into the details, please consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. So the first thing you need to have for this strategy is a Fiverr affiliate account. Click in the link in the description below and you will be brought to this website and you will be able to create a free account and you will be instantly approved. You don't need to wait. So click in the link in the description, create a free account, and you will be in this dashboard here. I'm not going to walk you through the registration process because it's very easy and anyone can do it. So once you have your affiliate account ready and set up, you head to fiverr.com and then search for the gig that you want to promote. So it has to be a good selling gig. You can type what you're interested in the search bar here, and also you can search by category. I am going to use this gig here for this example. I used it myself to make the intro video, the one that you saw in the beginning of this video. And I'm using this specific gig for some reasons, and the first one is that there are already 5 orders in queue, as you can see here, and also there are 4,306 5-star reviews. So people have bought and they are still buying this gig here and they like it and they are leaving lots of good reviews, as you can see here at the bottom, more than 4,000 5 stars. So this is really a good gig. Like I said, I used it myself and I'm happy with the result. And also it has a good presentation. So this guy here is showing his skills on this intro here. So if you like what you see here, you know that your YouTube intro video will be as good. Okay, great. So mission number 1 is completed. We have our gig. Now what we want to do is make our affiliate link for this gig here before starting promoting it. So what you need to do actually is copy everything that is here on the top. Copy, and then you head to Fiverr affiliate account. You go to here marketing tools and then you click on default and deep links. Once here, you click on this button here saying LP URL and you paste the URL here and you press the enter button. So what you need to do next is copy this link here, Fiverr CPA, cost per action. So you copy it, it has been copied now, and we want to make this link here short because this is a very long link and it's not trustworthy, so we want to make it short, and that's why we're going to head to bit.ly or bit.ly.com. Now what you need to do is actually, everything is free here, this service is free. All you need to do is paste that long link here and click on this button here, shorten, and it will make you a short link, as you can see here. So I can copy this link here, or click on this button to copy it and then put it on a text document here. You will use it later in the promotion. Now that we have our affiliate link for that specific gig, we want to promote it to the right audience. I will mention 2 places in this video, but I am sure you can find a ton of other ways where you can promote this link here. So the first place I will mention in this video is YouTube, and since this gig is about YouTube video introduction, the prospects must be using YouTube on a regular basis, and they might be searching for something like how to make intro videos, where to buy intro videos for YouTube, any ways to come up with intro videos, etc. So what you can do is publish a video on YouTube explaining what is the importance of an intro video, and then you can refer the viewers to your affiliate link and show them how good is that gig and what are the amazing results it made for you, just like I'm doing right now with you. So if I write the question how to make an intro video on the search bar, you will see that YouTube will suggest lots of search key phrases. How to make an intro video, how to make an intro video for YouTube channel, for YouTube, star, for star free, etc. So you can get inspired with these queries here and make a video with these key phrases. The second place I want to talk about in this video is QUORA.com. So lots of people are asking questions in QUORA and looking for solutions. So if you can find the right questions and answer them, you might get lots of traffic to your shortened link. So I typed here in the search bar how to make a YouTube intro, and it gave me lots of questions related to the subject. So this one here says, how do I make a cool YouTube intro video? How do I create a YouTube intro video for free? How do I make a YouTube intro free and easy, etc. So what you need to do is go through these questions here and find the most interesting ones and come up with a good answer that can rank, and you can link back to your shortened link or to your affiliate link, and if someone purchases the gig, you will get the commission. So basically this is the process I implement. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Cheers.